Dear viewers, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Welcome back to R.H. Educational channel. This is my 10th video and 6th video for counting number from 51 to 60. In previous classes, we already got read from 1 to 50 number and we gained sufficient knowledge regarding Arabic numbers that how to use them in our daily life. So now today I am going to start number from 51 to 60. So it starts the lesson. So 51 number. For 51 number we use in Arabic Wahidun wa Khamsoon. Wahidun wa Khamsoon means 51. See the example. 51 chairs. For 51 chairs we can say in Arabic Wahidun wa Khamsoona kursiyan. Wahidun wa Khamsoona kursiyan. Now see 52 number. For 52 number we use in Arabic Ethnane wa Khamsoon. Ethnane wa Khamsoon means 52. So looks at the example. 52 chairs. For 52 chairs we can say in Arabic Ethnane wa Khamsoona kursiyan. Ethnane wa Khamsoona kursiyan. 53 number. For 53 number we use in Arabic Thalathatun wa Khamsoon. Thalathatun wa Khamsoon means 53. Now see the example. 53 chairs. For 53 chairs we can say in Arabic Thalathatun wa Khamsoona kursiyan. Thalathatun wa Khamsoona kursiyan. 53 number. For 53 number we use in Arabic Thalathatun wa Khamsoon. Thalathatun wa Khamsoon means 53. Now see the example. 53 chairs. For 53 chairs we can say in Arabic Thalathatun wa Khamsoona kursiyan. Thalathatun wa Khamsoona kursiyan. Now see 54 number. For 54 number we use in Arabic Arba'atun wa Khamsoon. Arba'atun wa Khamsoon means 54. See the example. 54 chairs. For 54 chairs we can say in Arabic Arba'atun wa Khamsoona kursiyan. Arba'atun wa Khamsoona kursiyan. Now see 55 number. For 55 number we use in Arabic Khamsatun wa Khamsoon. Khamsatun wa Khamsoon means 55. See the example. 55 chairs. For 55 chairs we can say in Arabic Khamsatun wa Khamsoona kursiyan. Khamsatun wa Khamsoona kursiyan. Now see 56 number. For 56 number we use in Arabic Sittatun wa Khamsoon. Sittatun wa Khamsoon means 56. So looks at the example. 56 chairs. For 56 chairs we can say in Arabic Sittatun wa Khamsoona kursiyan. Sittatun wa Khamsoona kursiyan. Now see 57 number. For 57 number we use in Arabic Sab'atun wa Khamsoon. Sab'atun wa Khamsoon means 57. So see the example. 57 chairs. For 57 chairs we can say in Arabic Sab'atun wa Khamsoona kursiyan. Sab'atun wa Khamsoona kursiyan. Now say 58 number. For 58 number we use in Arabic Thamaniyatun wa Khamsoon. Thamaniyatun wa Khamsoon means 58. So see the example. 58 chairs. For 58 chairs, we can say in Arabic, ثمانية وخمسون كرسيا. ثمانية وخمسون كرسيا. Now see 59 number. For 59 number, we use in Arabic, تسعة وخمسون. تسعة وخمسون means 59. So see the example. 59 chairs. For 59 chairs, we can say in Arabic, تسعة وخمسون كرسيا. تسعة وخمسون كرسيا. Now see 60 number. For 60 number, we use in Arabic, Sittatun. Sittatun means 60. See the example. 60 chairs. For 60 chairs, we can say in Arabic, Sittuna kursiyan. Sittuna kursiyan. Now revise the lesson. Wahidun wa khamsoon. Wahidun wa khamsoon means 51. Ethnane wa khamsoon. Ethnane wa khamsoon means 52. Thalathatun wa khamsoon. Thalathatun wa khamsoon means 53. Arba'atun wa khamsoon. Arba'atun wa khamsoon means 54. Khamsatun wa khamsoon. Khamsatun wa khamsoon means 55. Sittatun wa khamsoon. Sittatun wa khamsoon means 56. Sab'atun wa khamsoon. Sab'atun wa khamsoon means 57. Thamaniyatun wa khamsoon. Thamaniyatun wa khamsoon means 58. Tis'atun wa khamsoon. Tis'atun wa khamsoon means 59. Sittun. Sittun means 60. Now I am going to check your knowledge, that how much you gained and understood numbers from 51 to 60. So before giving answer, see the videos 3 to 4 times carefully and match your answer in descriptions. Is your answer correct or not? First question, which one is number 57? Which one is number 57? Options are A. Tis'atun wa khamsoon, B. Thalathatun wa khamsoon, C. Khamsatun wa khamsoon, D. Sab'atun wa khamsoon. Second question, which one is number 51? Which one is number 51? Options are A. Sittun, B. Thamaniyatun wa khamsoon, C. Wahidun wa khamsoon, D. Arba'atun wa khamsoon. Third question, which one is number 58? Which one is number 58? Options are A. Thamaniyatun wa khamsoon, B. Arba'atun wa khamsoon, C. Sittatun wa khamsoon, D. Thamaniyatun wa khamsoon. Fourth question, which one is number 54? Which one is number 54? Options are A. Thalathatun wa khamsoon, B. Tis'atun wa khamsoon, C. Khamsatun wa khamsoon, D. Arba'atun wa khamsoon. Fifth question, which one is number 55? Which one is number 55? Options are A. Tis'atun wa khamsoon, B. Khamsatun wa khamsoon, C. Sab'atun wa khamsoon, D. Thalathatun wa khamsoon. Alright, I think this tutorial will be helpful to understand the numbers from 51 to 60. If you seriously like this video, please click the like button and subscribe the channel. I am going to create another awesome video like this in next classes, inshallah.